Okay, we are going to have some serious fun today. Every recipe I make is going to be mostly kale. I'm just kidding. We're making game day eats. We are making food fit for football, whether you're watching it or tailgating. I'm starting with pizza dip with garlic bread. So I'm making a creamy, cheesy mixture for the dip. Cream cheese, ricotta, about a cup of mozzarella grated, and this is just the supermarket mozzarella, I call it. And I'm gonna save some back for the top, and then also some sour cream. Oh, this is so delicious. And oregano. And then I'll grab a little salt and pepper just for fun. I think if I had to pick one of my very, very favorite categories of food, it would definitely be what I call football food or game day food, whether it's dips or burgers or, you know, what else do you think of when you think of like game day food?
Glizzies.
What? Wings, beer. Is that what a glizzy is?
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Oh, okay. Hot dogs, nachos, all the good things in life. Okay, so this is just a good basic creamy ricotta mixture, much like you would find in lasagna. So we could call this like pizza lasagna dip. I like to change the name of recipes as I go along. Okay, that's looking good. So I'm actually gonna bake the dip in an iron skillet because I just think it looks real rustic and, I don't know, football friendly.
Gridiron, the gridiron.
Ooh, good point. Good point. It conveys strength, durability. All right. So I'm spreading the dip into the skillet. And, now I'm going to build this dip basically like a pizza, just like you would build the top of a pizza. So marinara sauce, check it out. Isn't this cool?
The pork ham.
Yeah, pork ham. And it's a lot. It's a lot. But I'm going to spread it out, and then you can kind of see the ricotta peeking out. And then the rest of the mozzarella.
Oh, baby.
Yum, yum. And then pizza toppings. So, of course, pepperoni. Pepperoni is the #1 variety of pizza, at least in America, and definitely at my pizza restaurant. Green peppers diced. You can also do rings of different colors of bell pepper. And black olives, yay! I love black olives. They're just so decidedly non-fancy. Okay, so the pizza dip is assembled. I'm gonna wait, and now I'm gonna build the garlic bread that I'm gonna use to make little pieces of toast to dip into the dip. I mean, this thing is just gonna blow you away. So I've got some softened butter and minced garlic, and I'm adding more oregano. Give it a quick stir, mix it all together. And this will definitely keep the vampires away. This is garlicky. So I'll take half of it, plop it on 1/2 of a loaf of French bread, and the other half, and then I'll just spread it out. You just kind of want to cover the entire cut surface with this garlic butter. Why is garlic so darn good?
It makes everything better.
It's just a magical mystery ingredient.
How is it so flavorful?
I don't know, but gosh, I'm glad whoever discovered garlic discovered it. Now, we only have to take 1 trip to the oven.
You can carry it all.
Oh, I can carry it all. I've got the oven on 450, so it's very, very hot. Put the bread in and the dip. And I'm gonna bake both of these for 12 minutes, and then we're gonna dig in. My gosh, look at this, Alex.
Oh, boy.
Look at this dip.
It's beautiful.
It looks like a pizza, but it's a creamy dip instead. And look at this delicious, beautiful garlic bread. Ooh, hot. hot. So basically, I'm gonna cut these into little spears.
Spears.
I don't know. Don't listen to your mom. Okay, I'm struggling with this bread, so give me about 2 minutes to get it all sliced up. Okay, I got it all sliced up. So to serve, I'll put the dip on one side of the board and then just pile the little garlic bread pieces on the other side. I mean, you serve this with like punch or beer or what do they call it these days? Hard cider.
Seltzer.
Seltzer, lemonade. All right, pizza dip with garlic bread dippers. That's basically what we're talking about here. And I want to demonstrate how it's done properly. Paige, come on over here. You can have some.
No. Time for the annual Paige Mauricio fight over food.
Get in here, Mauricio. Oh, savage.
All right. 1 bite review.
That's good.
Oh, yes.
That's really, you gotta get more pepperoni and stuff on
Oh.
yours.
That's nice. I turned it around. I'm not double dipping. How is it?
Wow.
It's a total touchdown.
Oh no.